Hello everybody, Andrea here with Epicure. I am going to show you guys the new amazing catalog, Spring and Summer 2018. The catalog just came out yesterday. I was going to show you guys the paper catalog, but since I'm doing this online, it's just easier to show you guys the catalog on the website. So I'm going to flip through. Feel free to stop the video at any time if you want to look at the pages longer. And if you would like a catalog sent to you, let me know. Feel free to comment below. Join the Facebook group. I do have that in the link below as well. And then send me a message in the Facebook group, and then I will send you a catalog. So here we go, you guys. Let me share my screen, and I'm going to make it larger here for you. So, whoops, it looks like it's zoomed in pretty much. Okay, here we go. So can everybody see that okay? So this is the yummy new Spring and Summer 2018 catalog. We're all so excited about this one because as soon as the weather starts to get nice, we all want to cook outside. We want to cook on the barbecue, not to mention healthy eating, right? So please remember with Epicure, there are no artificial colors or flavors. 100% gluten-free and nut-free, sodium and sugar conscious, meaning there's a lot less sugar and salt in all of our products, if not at all. Some of them have no sugar and some of them have no salt. We all have to cook anyway, so why not buy from something that you know is just healthier, you know, seasonings, spices, everything. Made from ethically sourced ingredients and 85% non-GMO verified. So that's amazing. We never add any of these things here that I'm just kind of circling here for you. So all of this stuff you'll see in tons of seasonings, tons of spices, but not Epicure. And the products aren't expensive. So why not buy from Epicure, buy from me, instead of just going to the grocery store and buying like no-name, cheaper spices that just don't taste very good. You won't get the same flavor profiles, and they're not good for you, and they add so much more salt and seasoning. So anyway, so you guys want to see the catalog. So let me quickly flip through for you. Sorry it's kind of slow right now. It must be my internet. But like I said, you guys, feel free to stop the video at any time if you want to see a page a lot closer. Okay, so this is just our collection that we offer. Amazing. Here we go, and then I'm highlighting some of the other collections we have. So if you want to buy a bunch of stuff, but you're not sure what, you want to buy a little bit of everything, look in our collections because you tend to get more for a cheaper price. Searching around, and our kits, amazing, amazing. These are our kits, which I love to give as gifts. Think about Mother's Day, you guys. Think about Father's Day. Why not give them a good kit? It's not something that they would typically buy for themselves. It's not something they'll see in the store, so why not? There we go. Some more kits. Yum, yum, yum. I must say, like, I love the kits. They're so popular. I tell all of my new customers to get a kit because they're just awesome. Just highlighting some more products again, seasoning and spices. We have a new tea. Oh my gosh, pretty amazing. Our teas, by the way, are so popular. If you haven't tried a tea yet, you have to do it. Okay, I kind of feel like my video is really slow, so I'm going to actually make this a little smaller. But like I said, you guys, if you want me to send you the catalog, please let me know. There, the video seems faster now, right? So sorry, I kind of feel like this is too small now. So I'm going to post the link to the catalog as well on the bottom. That way, if you guys want to see the full catalog, you can. But at least from here, you should be able to see that there's tons of stuff. Something you'll want to search through anyway, because there's seasonings, there's spices. Oh my goodness, I want everything. I've been selling Epicure for a while now, and I still see things that I want. Excuse me, the toppers are amazing. I am so excited to have probably everything. Even just thinking about it, oh my goodness, because I love to eat a lot of salads. Like, that's my way of being healthier. So I try to have like a huge salad for lunch, but you tend to get bored if you have the same salad. So if you add toppers, if you add other things, it's just so nice. Oh, they have a Caesar mix. How did I not see this before? Okay, I'm really excited because I like my Caesars and lots of things for hamburgers. That is seasonal. Oh, so excited, you guys. They have sauces, they have condiments. Who would not want some of these amazing things, right? I'm pretty excited. I'll be posting all of these in my group as well. Oh my gosh, this has been so popular. If you haven't had this yet, you need it. Oh my God, it's so good. Okay, almost done flipping through, you guys. Some amazing stuff for ribs, different types of packages, like if you want something quick, something easy. These are also so popular. Herbs and spices, we have a ton. I can't even name them all. We have so many, and they're all amazing. Salt and pepper shakers, amazing again. Yeah, I'm sure you guys will find a bunch of things that you want, a bunch of things you will need, because remember, there's nothing artificial in here. Sodium conscious, salt conscious, sugar conscious, the whole works. Ooh, this is new. Ooh, I want that. This just came out yesterday, so that's why I did have a quick look through it, but now I'm just kind of looking closer, and yep, pretty much want everything. This is new, eh? You can stuff your hamburger, vegan burger, whatever, so that's pretty cool, actually. So you can make your own. I'll be posting that in my Facebook group later, because I'm sure everybody will want that one. More collections. Oh, that's so neat. So you can have a do-it-yourself pizza bar, fish and chips. Oh, that's so cool. Yeah, lots of things to post later, because I know people are going to want all of these. If you would like to host your own cooking class, they talk about that. Okay, you guys, so yeah, it might have been kind of hard to see. I'm going to post the link to my catalog below, so please feel free to click that if you like. If you have questions, let me know anytime, and good luck with everything. Happy cooking, and enjoy this amazing weather outside. Thank you guys so much for watching.